Hi guys, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Venki's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. So today we are mainly focused about unification algorithm as per the comments. First of all, what is unification? So it is a process. It is a process used in automated reasoning. What is meaning of reasoning? It is a logical thinking. It is a logical thinking. It is a process used in a automated reasoning and logic programming and theorem proving. Is it clear? Automated reasoning, logic programming and theorem proving. So that's why unification is a process in a AI. It is a fundamental process in a AI. So what is the fundamental process? Then you say that it is a process used in automated reasoning, logic programming and theorem proving. So theorem proving means these are mainly used in a resolution graph. I think all of you know that. In previous video already in my playlist. Please check it. Resolution graph. Is it clear? It is a unification algorithm. Okay. Now, why we are using our unification algorithm? Okay. Next, what are the advantages of unification algorithm and how is processing of unification algorithm? Then we are complete our this concept. First of all, why we are using our unification algorithm? So generally, the unification algorithm is mainly uses of unification algorithm mainly logic programming. Logic programming. Logic programming is so generally we are using prologue. Prologue. What is prologue? Program in logic. Program in logic. In that time we are using a unification algorithm. First one. The second one is as per definition it is also mainly used in a automated theorem proving. Theorem proving. It is also one of the advantage. One more is resolution graph. Next one is natural language processing. Next, finally, knowledge representation and expert systems. Is it clear? So, why we are in the unification algorithm? The unification are mainly used in these areas. What is logic programming is prologue, automated theorem proving, resolution graph, natural language processing, and knowledge representation and expert system. That's why we are mainly using a unification algorithm. Okay. Next, these are main advantages. How is processing? That is a main thing. So generally, how does the unification work? Unification algorithm works. Okay. It is a step by step process. It is a step by step process. Now we will discuss some step by step with an example also. Okay. Okay. First one. Here we are mainly unification of two statements. We check the two statements of unification or not. So that's a step by step process. First one is a if both expressions, if a both expressions are identical or not. Identical or not. In case of both expressions are identical, then return empty. Is it clear? Okay. Next one. If one is a variable, Out of both expressions, one is a variable and does not occur in other. Next, if both are compound terms, that means functions are predicates. Clear? So these are main rules to follow the unification algorithm. What is the first one? If both expressions are identical or not, in case identical, returns empty. If one is variable, does not occur in others. If both are compound terms, that means function and predicates. Next, one more. One more. If none of the above applies, none of the above applies, then unification fails. Is it clear? Unification fails. Okay. Now simply discuss about example. Okay. First one. What is the problem? You check the unify of P of x comma f of y. It is a one expression. Is it clear? Next. And P of a comma f of g of z. These are two expressions. We will check it unification, unify or not. Okay. First one, as per step by step process, compare predicates. This is the first predicate. This is a second predicate. Compare the predicates. Both are P only. P with how many arguments are there? Two arguments. This is x, f of y, a comma f of g of z. Here, compare the predicates. Second one. Compare the first argument. First one. What is the first argument of first predicate? X. And what is the first argument of second predicate? A. X and A. Is it clear? Then X is a variable. X is a variable. It can be substitute X by A. Is it clear? X is a variable, substituting the X by A. Then update the expression. First one is a x by a. First one is a comma f of y, and second one a comma f of g by z. Is it clear? Why? What is actually p is a first argument is x, but here we are applying of x is a variable, substitution x by a. That's why it can be replaced with a. Okay. Next. Second argument. Second argument. What is second argument? In first expression, second argument f of y. What is second argument in a second one? F of g of z. Okay. Next. Both are f. Both are f with a one argument. Yes or no? This is one argument. This is one. Okay. Unify y and g of z. Both are f argument, f with one argument. But we are unify of y, g of z, y and g of z. Then substitute y by g of z. Like that. Here what we are applying substitution, here also same. Then what is the final substitution? X by a comma y by g of z. Is it clear? Yes or no? So this is our final output. Thank you.